I am Dr. Marjia Cahoon. I am a clinical assistant professor here at the College of Dentistry in the Department of Dental Hygiene and Dental Assisting. Originally, what brought me to NYU was when I was looking to be a student and I was looking for a program. I was from a very rural part of the country and I was looking for a place that would be diverse, involved in numerous activities that I wouldn't necessarily have been able to do in my local community program. And it was pretty much without a doubt the moment I saw NYU's campus and visited that it was for me. Oh, this program is extremely unique. I can say this as being a student and now as a faculty member, and after working at different institutions, different dental hygiene programs. The fact that we're part of the dental college and we're integrated with the dental students is so unique. We are trying to have future hygienists be prepared for what real life is going to be like and what real work is going to be like. And when you can actually have yourself working alongside the dental students, going through different rotations of different types of dentistry, those are all things that are so unique to this program because it's all here, it's all in the same building. A dental practice is part of any community, but being at NYU and when you realize like how much of a staple NYU is just as part of New York City, and then the College of Dentistry is part of treating all of the people that live in the community of New York City, you find yourself finding a lot of purpose when you talk to your patients, but also just talking about the culture of living in New York City, working in New York City. We all need each other and we all work together. So it's an experience that's kind of unlike any other in different areas. I love my students. The students here are always challenging the ideas that we have of what education should be in a good way. We always have motivated students because they are choosing NYU, so they're coming here and they're saying, I want the best education, I want all the experiences, I want all of the things. We always sort of keep a connection, and we have our NYU Facebook groups and our Instagram groups, and there's always just nice to see the names pop up of students that maybe you haven't seen in a few years and to see that they're really successful and doing well. Our students really talk about coming to New York City to just experience a diverse patient population. They know that they are going to be in with all types of people, all types of communities, all types of dentistry that they're going to see, and students really get excited about that. They don't want every day to be the same. So when you are coming into here and you're ready to see the patients here, your patients, some of them have been coming to NYU for 30 years and probably know the school better than some of the students do, but the students then recognize that and they love sort of the interaction of what their patients teach them back about like being a student in New York City. So I think just the opportunities that are associated with the communities that they're going to be part of. There's also so many rotations that the students get to go out. The hospital rotations, the different outreach programs, the collaboration they get to do with the dental students, that's really unique to this program, and they are excited about getting to the stage that they can do those and participate in those opportunities. Students can expect that every faculty will present their knowledge that they've gained through the field, but they really do focus on going back to those basics that we try and instill in them from day one. So it's how do those basics then translate into different opportunities and different parts of the profession. That's why having such a wide variety of faculty is so beneficial. You're never going to get the same perspective, but we've all been trained with the same foundations. And then the different perspectives help students find what they are looking for when they leave here. I mean, we are in New York City, so we have this huge population that is needing to be seen for dental care. And so unlike other places where patient care opportunities may not be the same, here we have patients that are waiting to be seen by our dental hygiene students. I feel as though NYU really has this, just when you say NYU, there is just, it almost has its own character. Like when you say you're at NYU, when you see the NYU logo or the NYU purple, there's just a part of being part of this community that you understand as it's part of the city, it's part of living in the city, and being a student, an NYU student, is really just this like valuable part of living in the city.